Hey there! Welcome to Taimer. We are super excited to have you on board. In the next few videos, we will be talking about the various functions and features Taimer has to offer. We can assure you that by the end of these tutorials, you will be comfortable enough to start using Taimer with confidence. Your Taimer account consists of the blue navigation bar on the left. Here you can see all the modules or functions Taimer has to offer. The header section consists of the Add New tab, from where you can add a lead, activity, expense, account, or an invoice. If you need assistance with navigating through your account, visit the tutorials available in the Need Help section. You can even reach out to the Taimer community or chat with us directly. We are always happy to help you out. Before you get started with your Taimer account, we recommend that you update your profile and company details from the Settings tab. Hey, and if you think Taimer can help a friend or a colleague, please share the love. We have some super cool offers lined up for you. Just click here and see how you can earn money by referring Taimer. Now let's get started with the Taimer Dashboard, shall we? The Taimer Dashboard is divided into 5 segments, which will give you a complete overview of your business activities, sales pipelines, and finances. Navigating through each of these segments is simple and quick. To get started, simply click on the CTAs given against each segment. The Activities Overview shows you all the upcoming, scheduled, or completed activities. It could be a sales call or an email reminder. Go ahead, become a serial scheduler and never miss a deadline again. To get a complete overview of your leads or projects, visit the Pipeline Overview section. Here you can see all your pipelines, the progress of your leads, and the projected revenue. Don't forget to check out the video tutorial on how to create a lead or close a deal in your Taimer account. The great thing about Taimer is that it gives you a 360-degree overview of all your business operations. The Won Deals overview gives a revenue report on the deals that were won and closed. It also gives a summary of the total value of the deals won by each sales agent. With managing a business comes the challenge of managing finances. Taimer makes tracking finances smart, easy, and effortless. Visit the Invoicing Overview to get a complete picture of your invoicing status. This data also helps in maintaining a steady cash flow to manage your business. The Expenses Overview enables you to view your expenses over a given period of time. You can even see the spend type and a summary of the total spend at any given point. The Taimer Dashboard is a quick and easy way to view your company's performance. And did I mention that all this is updated in real time? That was all about the Taimer Dashboard. And don't forget to view our next set of videos in the progress bar. See you when you get there!